Here in beautiful sunny South Florida. This is the view from your front entryway. Now let me go ahead and take you inside of this large 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. So when you walk in, you have a large entryway, living room with counter space into a peek-through kitchen. Off to the first side, you have a full bathroom with a tub and all the amenities. Here we have your front bedroom, which has the great view I was just showing you outside. Yeah, great closet space in these units. Now let me go ahead and take you over to the kitchen. As I mentioned before, you have a peep-through window onto your kitchen. You have mica countertops, stainless steel appliances. You have a stackable washer and dryer, refrigerator, stainless steel with water and ice in the door, matching stainless appliances, and like I mentioned before, mica countertops. This great kitchen also comes with a view of a nature preserve. Now this home comes equipped with panel shutters, so you have no worries when it comes to a hurricane. This is your second larger master bedroom, which again has a view out to the nature preserve. You also have a large walk-in closet and your private in-suite bathroom with the bathtub. This community really has it all, with tons of amenities that I'm going to show you later on in this video. I wanted to give you one more view of this beautiful nature preserve.